Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Inkey List Bioactive Ceramide Repairing and Plumping Moisturizer. This product retails for $20. This is the newest launch from the brand, the Inkey List, and I'm very excited because this moisturizer has some very promising ingredients in it. Now I did look over the ingredients and it does have shea butter in it, which is a very rich and nourishing ingredient that some people are sensitive to. I personally have never had an issue with shea butter, but that is something I'll be looking for with this product. Another thing I'm looking at with this product is that it says it takes 4 weeks to see notable results with it. So what I've decided I'm going to do is this is going to be a first impression review, and then as long as this product doesn't cause any acne, I will be continuing to do updates as I continue to use it on short form content. So make sure you are following me to stay up to date with those updates. This is just mainly going to be a first impression to see the few specific things that I look for with moisturizers. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. The highlight ingredients in this product include bioactive ceramides and shea butter. To check out the full ingredient list, make sure you click the link in the description to go to their website. Additionally, I'm not going to be the best to testify for anti-aging benefits with it, but I do love ceramide moisturizers because they do act as such a barrier supporting and moisturizing product. And so the main things I'll be looking for with this mainly include, does it cause any acne? That will be the big thing that I'm looking for during this review. Another thing I'll be looking for is just to see what I notice within the first 2 weeks of using it and what type of finish it leaves on the skin, because no matter what, a moisturizer is supposed to hydrate the skin, and I mainly want to see during this first impression how good of a moisturizer is it, and then I will continue to check in to see results with this product. As for anything else, I will be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this product. I am still recovering from being sick. My voice is seeming like it's going to leave, so I hope it doesn't before this video ends. I did want to give a quick check-in on this product because I've been using it for about 4 days. So far, I can tell this is a pretty rich moisturizer. Definitely avoid this product if you do have more oily skin because it's definitely not designed for you. So you can see it does have a little bit of like a wet texture. It is definitely, when you feel of it though, a heavy cream. And it does kind of blend into the skin really nice. It does feel like butter, but I can definitely tell that if you are more oily, then you will not like this product because it does leave a pretty heavy finish on the skin. It's nothing too crazy, and my skin is personally loving it in the winter. I don't think this is going to be a summertime moisturizer. I can definitely tell this is a very rich cream. Now, what I love about this product is that it does claim to have anti-aging benefits, and a lot of times with anti-aging skincare, you see the price skyrocket. This is a very good price point for a very rich moisturizer, and the ingredients seem to be impressive, but I'm just going to have to continue using it to see if it's going to clog my pores because it does feel very heavy, and I'm a little worried about it, but it hasn't happened yet. Now, in the winter, I do like to go for a more dewy, hydrated moisturizer because my skin gets so dry. And you can see it just gives a beautiful glow. It just feels so nourishing and hydrated. I'm interested to see if this product does clog my pores. I'm really hoping it won't because it is extremely affordable and it has great ingredients in it, but it also has shea butter, and I know so many people are sensitive to that ingredient. So definitely avoid it if you know shea butter is something that you cannot tolerate. But so far, I am enjoying it, and I'm gonna continue using it and just seeing what I notice. So I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. So this is obviously a very first impression with this product, but it was a very impressive one. So the main takeaway that I wanted to get from this video was whether or not it personally caused acne with me. The Inkey List has put out a claim that this product is supposed to be non-comedogenic. They also addressed the fact that shea butter is in this, and they said that it shouldn't be a problem for acne. Obviously, if you know that you're sensitive to that ingredient, ingredient, I would still be careful with this product, but it's not proven to be an issue with me. Like I said though, I have not had issues with shea butter, so I'm not the best to testify for that. This product has been helping my skin though, and honestly, within the first couple of weeks, I noticed a difference in my overall skin appearance and hydration. I felt like this was a very rich and very nourishing moisturizer, and I'm excited to see what I continue to notice as I continue using it over the next couple of weeks. This product has overall been helping my skin barrier, it's been helping some of my skin concerns, and the ceramides in this product are also very soothing. It's a very hydrating, very affordable, soothing moisturizer with great ingredients in it. I've only used it for 2 weeks and I've already fallen in love with it, so I can't wait to continue using it and seeing what else I notice with this product. Overall though, this product didn't cause any acne with me. In my experience, it did work very great for my skin. It was a very soothing, very calming moisturizer. This moisturizer also seemed to calm some of my redness and overall was helping my skin barrier. I can't wait to be able to testify for the plumping and the other benefits with this product, because obviously I didn't see those yet because it's just been a couple of weeks. I'm excited to continue using this product. Make sure you are following me, and so far I'm already in love with this product. The only reason I wouldn't recommend it is if you know you have a sensitivity to shea butter or an ingredient in this product. I would recommend it so far based off the results I've seen with it. I will be continuing to keep you all posted on this product. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.